Do you want to export Google AI overviews to an Excel file? Let me show you how to do that. What you will need is an account with thruuu and then directly jump to the SERP Analyzer. So you click here on Analyze SERP or directly here, and with thruuu you can analyze any Google SERP. Obviously, if you want to extract Google AI overviews, you will need a keyword that will trigger an AI overview. So enter your keyword, select your SERP, and click the Analyze button. Then you will end up on the SERP analysis. I will open one that has an AI overview. And now here you can see here, this is a SERP engine result page, and the first result is an AI overview. thruuu displays the text, and as well you can get insights about the sources and on-page information from the sources. And this is really what is important for you. You want to export that to an Excel file. So to get that, click on the download report and you will get an Excel file with all of this data. I will show you how it looks like. So basically, we have some information about the SERP. You can see here the first result is an AI overview, then you have the SERP organic pages. To get data about the AI overview, click on the tab AI overview, and here you will see all the sources from the AI overview. So with the title, the URL, the description, the host name, the page rank, which is the domain authority, the word count, image count, etc. So you get a lot of data about the AI overview. You can also have an extract of all the title from the AI overview, of all the topics, so basically the frequent terms used by the AI overview sources. You can also have an extract of the text fragment, so all the fragment in the URL displayed in the AI overview, so you get all of this data in the Excel file. And you get as well more, you can get also all the headings, the H2, the H3, etc. In this report as well, you have obviously an export of the SERP, of the whole SERP, up to 100 results. You can click on this video if you want to understand what the SERP export contained. But here you go, it's quite straightforward. Create a thruuu account, analyze your first SERP. If there is an AI overview, click on the download report, and then you will have an Excel file full of on-page information.